Our mission is clear. Our country must be safe for all citizens.
Usomkhandlo omutsha wamapholisa usenza umchunu uthi libachingele ilanga abaphehla imiguruguru nalabo abathilisa abantu abadraga.
Kumele sithole i-postmortem, kumele sithole yonke into eshoyo ukuthi lo muntu ulimale kanjani ngoba iyasho phela ma ukuthi ushayiwe, iyasho phela ma ukuthi kube ukugula obo kube yini.
Izakhamuzi ezisingelekileko zePinar zitshise umuzi womuntu osolwa ekuthunjweni nekubulaweni kwabantwana endaweni leya. Avulwe ngokusemthethweni amahlelo wesandlalelo samalungiselelo wokusingatha imidlalo yama-Olympic eParis. Kwaba kuhle uhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele. Usomkhandlo omutsha wamapholisa usenza umchunu uthi umnyango wakhe ubekele phambili umsebenzi wokulwana enqhema zamagenge eziphehla imiguruguru nalabo abaphalisela abantu bamathenda amandla. Ubekhuluma sePitori namhlanje umchunu phambi kwababika indaba aveza amaqalondanzi womnyango ngaphasi kwakahulumende wekhomba. Umchunu uthi angaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezimbili amapholisa amatsha aqatshiweyo kweminyakeni emibili edluleko. Umika indaba wethu Lerato Makola beka lapho wasihlanganiselana kumbiko.
Ungqongqotjhe umchunu uthi imiguruguru yamagenge eTjingalanga Kapa yande khulu. Isifunda seGauteng neseTjingalanga Kapa zikhonjwe njengemfundo ezilidziba lobulelesi enarheni le. Umchunu uthi uhlelo kusebenzisana nenhlangano zomphakathi ezilwa nobulelesi nekoro yangeqadi nebubulo elizijameleko lezokuvikela ukulwa nobulelesi obandileko khulukhulu endaweni ezilidziba lobulelesi.
We will partner with sectoral organizations such as those protecting the rights of women and children, faith-based organizations, traditional councils, organized labor, and non-governmental organizations dedicated to the fight against crime. Working together, we will make progress towards making our country safer.
Hlangana nobulelesi obukhamba phambili eSouth Africa, ukukata, ukubulala, ukumukwa kwabantu inkoloyi kunye nokuthunjwa kwabantu. Ukomtjhinara wamapholisa uthi sebabopha abantu abana bagabisela abosomathenda amandla.
Just this past week, Friday in Northwest Jubatina, we arrested 4 what we call construction mafia people there that were worrying in that specific area. So we're able to arrest them.
Umphakathi uzwakalisa amazizo awo.
Sidinga more people abenza lezi zinto lezi game emajele yabo because izathu sokuthi bakwazi bona ukufila comfortable ukuzenza lezi zinto ngoba bayazi singeba Jesus izono zabo. Bayazi ukuthi noma bengenzani o umuntu uzothola ibhela ayikhokhele ibhela aphuma aphinde futhi aqhubeke nento ayenzayo yebo. So nanokuthi siqine isandla emthethweni ave kulula manje nanokuthi le phrase lena isijwayelekile eSouth Africa le cold drink yabo. So isandla siqinile kakhulu. So I just think isimele kulunge lapho.
Bona ba njengomuntu omtsha ohlala apha eGauteng kungcono ba kubekho indawo ekapha amapholisa azabakhona kuzo zonke indawo. Abantu bayasokora baphatha ibag baphatha ilaptop baye emsebenzini bayakhuthuzwa babanje inkunzi. So ngicela ukuthi uminister wemapholisa asenze kanjalo.
Umchunu uthi izinga lobulelesi enarheni le lande ngendlela yokuthi alisabekezeleki watsho nokuthi abaqale khulu uruthula ubukhohlakali kunye nokukhahlumezeka ngokobulili.
Gang violence, we have observed, is also on the rise. In the Western Cape, the situation must be brought under control so that children in the Cape Flats, children in Khayelitsha and other areas are safe. We're also worried about parts of Nelson Mandela Bay, parts of Gauteng, where crime is relatively higher than elsewhere.
Ungqongqotjhe umchunu yokudlala amahlelo ayokusebenzela phezukwawo ekulumeni yesabelo semali ka2024 eParliament ekusasa. Ngingulirato Makula wendaba ze-SABC eJohannesburg.
Umbishop omkhulu wama-Anglican eKapa uArchbishop Thabo Makgoba ujame phezu kwamagama wokuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kufuze aphenye malungana nendaba mraro yephalaphala. Uthi lokhu kuzokusiza ngokuphendula imibuzo ekhona bekamhlambulule naye njengomengameli. uMakgoba ukhulume ngokukhethekileyo nephiko lendaba le-SABC ngobujamo belizwe lekhethu elimi.
Umbishop uThabo Makgoba ulunga lehlangano yabaholi bamasondo elizwenile kanti mhlapha nje ihlangano li ibambele umbuso omutsha umthandazo. uMakgoba ukhulume nephiko lendaba le-SABC ngokukhethekileyo waveza ezinye indaba abona ngasuthi kufanele zilarululwe. Uthi kubhlungu ukuvala kwendaba mraro yephalaphala begodwa kufanele kukhalinywe ngamagama abukhali.
I want the parliamentary issue of Zizi Kodwa that you've mentioned, as in the case of Mapisa Ngakula, to be put on the table, to be concluded, because we've heard snippets of information in terms of that. So we don't know what is true and what is not true. And if we are to maintain the morals standards in the country, each one of us should not be above the law.
uMakgoba ufuna uRamaphosa athatha amagadanga aqinileko embusweni yokhomba.
I would like to see the president having less commissions, or if he has made a commission, the time frames must be very short, and the outcomes must be seen to be addressed. I mean, one of them is the Zondo Commission. I think the Zondo Commission spent a lot of millions. Some of them, as somebody that is so passionate about school, toilet infrastructure, I sometimes feel I could have taken the bulk of that money to go and build school toilets. I hope we won't have what we experienced in Ekurhuleni previously, where we have a revolving door, and the door will revolve this way, the mayor will be in, and it will revolve that way, the speaker will be out, and then the people were suffering, and we just were experiencing this revolving door of changes in political organization and arrangement instead of serving the people. But I wish them well. I really am hopeful, and I wish them well.
uMakgoba uthi abantu belizweli akafanele bona kusole bona ngimphumela amakhetho kodwa nakufuze bathokozwe ngokuveza lokho abafuna ukukubona kwenzeka.
Babukeli sithanda ukuncancabeza kakhulu ngokuthi namhlanje asikhoni bona siveze imbono yenu eneyithumele ngeWhatsApp kucharagene indambo. Kanti abosotechnique bethu basalinga ukuzilungisa bona sikwazi ukuraga nokudlala amavideo wenu. Sibetha isandla phezu kwesinye. Ungqongqotjhe wezenkhaya uDr Leon Schreiber uthi ufuna bona umnyango lo ube mgogodla wezokukhuliswa komnotho. Ekonweni yakhe yevoti yesabelo semali eParliament namhlanje, uSchreiber uthe umnyango wezankhaya uqhakatheke kakhulu ekuvuleni amathuba wemisebenzi. Kanti endabeni yengikhulu ezingaphakathi komnyango lo esinesandla ebukhohlakalini uthe bayokuthathela amagadango malungana nomlelesi labo abazokufunyana bephula umthetho.
uSchreiber uthi ubukhohlakali nobukirikitshani behlisa isithunzi sabo mazisi belizweli. Uthe uhlela umhlangano nomzenda weIreland ngomnqopho ukuzwisisa bona ubukhohlakali elizweni la buthuwelele kangangani nakuzagcina kuba kulapha amaSouth Africa akhonjelwa khona bona abe namavisa nakaza kuvakatshela ilizweli ya. Ngqongqotjhe uthe ukulwisana nokungena ngokungemthetho eSouth Africa qhakatheke khulu evikelweni lelizweli. Uthi nakuyiSouth Africa yona akuzokhonakala bona ilobilawule emkhawuleni yayo nevikelweni langaphakathi. Khathesi umnyango wezankhaya uzokukhamba uphosilihle entolo ezithengisa ukudla eplasini nemayini ngamaphesenti ama-50. Uthi lokho kufuze kwenziwe ngokubambisana neminye iminyango. uSchreiber bawone komiti yezemsebenzi bonisiza iminyango.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokuthintana netechnology uSoli Malatsi uthi amahlelo wokusebenza weSABC kunye namahlelo wokuhlangulwa iposo Ise ukunzinza kwezemali kwamabhizinisi la. Umalathi bekathula isabelo semali saphakathi komnyaka somnyango lo eParliament.
Umnyango wezokuthindana nezitechnology namabhizinisi angaphasi komnyango lo zabelwe imali seyoke imali engange 3.9 billion yamarandi eminyakeni lo wezemali. Pheze imali engange 1.6 billion yabelwe iSABC, iCasa kunye nePoso.
A total of 1.6 billion has been allocated for transfers and subsidies to ICT enterprise development and state-owned enterprises oversight to ensure the effective monitoring of initiatives such as the SAPO Business Rescue, the SABC strategy, and ICASA's regulatory compliance operations.
Uthi kufanele iqinisekise ukudzinza kwezemali kwamabhizinisi wombuso angaphasi komnyango wezokuthindana.
We must take care to ensure that entities under this department are not contributors to the country's financial woes. Given the reality that budget allocations are unlikely to increase in future, the SABC's new turnaround plan and the business rescue that is currently underway at the post office will need to ensure that they deliver financial stability of these entities.
Ngale kwalokho uthi umnyango lokufanele uqinisekise ukusetshenziswa kwetechnology kungabi nokusalela emva.
The department has a responsibility to ensure that as we move into an increasingly digitized economy, that no one is left behind, either by circumstance or their resources.
Umalathi uthi kufanele iqinisekise bona ngaphasi komnyango lo akabi nomthelelo emrarweni wemali elizwe eliqalene nawo.
Nasibuya entolo.
They were complaining about the issue of breakages and criminal activities that were taking place from the community to the school. Hence, we have taken a decision to consult with the community on closing the school and merge it with a nearby school.
Ababelethi eMarite ehlanu kweHezifiwe eMpumalanga bathi ngatumbana kujame ukufunda nakungahlomba ukuvula isikolo iHalimela Secondary School. Zisekhona indaba lapha nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, ku Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi ezisilingileko zitshise umuzi kaMalume kaSivile Thulari osolwa ngokuthindeka ekuthunjeni nekubulaweni kwabantwana ePinari eMpumalanga. uSivile weminyaka eli-19 ubudala bekamsola ecaleni labantwana ababili ababhubhele esibhedlela ngeveke epheleleko ngelesine. Bekulindeleke ukuthi icala lakhe lilalelwe namhlanje ekhotho kodwana lathuliswela ukulalela ngelesihlanu. iNPA iveze ukuthi kufanele kufakwe nesitifiketi sokufa ngaphambi kobana kuhociswe amacala la.
Uchise izolo ebusuku izakhamuzi umuzi lo. Uzokala bona uSivile Thulare ubulewe manceba wafumene ngemva kokube bekulindeleke ukuthi uSivile avele phambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata wakanyamazane namhlanje kodwana akhange ngela wokulaliswa esibhedlela ngemva kokubetshwa umphakathi. uThulare uqalene nensolo zokubulawa kwabantwana ababili abaphakathi kweminyaka emithathu ukuya ke-6 ubudala. Isidumbu sika Junior Mabandla ocuyiweko senjululwe phezulu kwelinye ithuna ngemva kokuthi afunwe imveke. Kanti nesidumbu sika Peaceful Khoza naso sitholakele ethuneni elingajinguki yaphi.
Icala lipostponiwe kumele kuze amaphepha akhombisa ukuthi ngempela kunjalo icourt ifuna lokho kuzokwenzeka ukuthi icourt ikuthole kodwa thina kumele siqhubeke sinikeze usilandele ngendlela umthetho kumele uhambe ngakhona.
Umndeni kaThulare uthi uhlalele evalweni kulandela ukuchiswa komzilo. Kulindeleke ukuthi amapolisa abekwe lapha ukwenzela ukuphosa ilihlo. Umbuso sitshaba wakwaMpakeni uthi uthwenyekile ngezenzo zokuthunjwa nokubulawa kwabantu endaweni le.
Njengoba sesicalile sihlanganisane nebafundisi sekumele manje sibuye site nemaphoyisa sesihambela itigotsi ngetigotsi sihambe siyokhutha sishumayele ivangeli lokuthula ukuthi asibe nekuthula. Yebo lesimo sikhona sibi asithandzeki labathinzekako kubabhlungu kubo ukuthi mhlambe umntwana wabo uphume wabese uyophosisela labanye ngoba basuke bangamthumi akusikahle ukuthi umphakathi bese ukwatela laba bemndeni walowo losuke agangile.
Ikhotho ithi ilinde kuphume isitifiketi sokubhubha ukuhocisa icaleli.
Kuphazamisekile ukufunda nokufundisa enkuleni ezibunane eMarite ehlane kweHazyview eMpumalanga. Ababelethi basola umnyango wezefundo ngokuvala isikolo iHalimela Secondary School ngaphandle kokukhulumisana nabo. Ngemva ukuthi isikolo lesi singenelwe siqhe abe bahlome ngengidi ngomgwengweni.
Isikolo iHalimela Secondary School sisengozini yokuleleselwa. Ngenyanga epheleleko kuthiwa abatsho inlelesi zisahlela abafundi nabotitshere zona ipahla yesikolo. Ababelethi bathonyekile begodi batsho umnyango wezefundo uvale isikolo lesi ngaphandle kokubazisa. Ababelethi abasilingekileko aba babuye bavala nezinye inkolo ezibunane endaweni le benze lokho njengomba kuvulwe isikolo lesi.
And break it in and stole the car, and us as a patrol we are the one who went around looking for the car and we found the car. So surprisingly, the Department of Education came to us with this decision that they have already closed the school. So as a community, we decided to go around to close all the schools.
Now for our children to be taken to another school that is not performing. Our school was producing 100% matric pass rate every year.
100%. Abafundi baka matriki ngibo abaqalene nobudisi khulu.
It has affected us, especially the grade 12s, because we didn't have a chance to finish the June examinations. But now they are taking the decision to close the schools. What are we going to do about those examinations? And even though now we have to write a trial, we don't go to school. We are just sitting at home. What are we going to do? But at the end, they expect us to pass. How?
Union yabotitshere SADTU ithonyekile ngokuphepha kwabotitshere kunye nabafundi.
We know that already in that school, two teachers had to take long leave because of trauma. And I know that now in June, I'm told that two also have been hospitalized due to trauma. So, in other words, we view the school now as unviable.
Umnyango lo ukhulumisana nababelethi ukuqalisana ingomuso lesikolo lesi alo yokuthi isikolo lesi sivalele safuthi njengombana sesehlile isibalo sabafundi abazihlolisela ukufunda esikolweni lesi ngonobangela obelelesi.
The school has got a very low enrollment, and the area where the school is situated is in the outskirts where they were complaining about the issue of breakages and criminal activities that were taking place from the community to the school. Hence, we have taken a decision to consult with the community on closing the school and merge it with a nearby school.
Nakusenjalo umnyango wezefundo usihlabe ngamagama abukhali senzwesi wathi batsho uzokuhlela isikhathi esingezeleliweko sokufundisa ukulekelela abafundi abathindekileko endaweni le.
Kanina siqala ezivela ngaphandle siphethe zithi umengameli weAmerica uJoe Biden uthi imizamo yokulinga ukubulala umengameli walokho uDonald Trump kuphikisana nalokho iAmerica ekufunako.
That chart's a couple of months old and
kube nje ngaphambi kokuthi zicharagana izinto ekuzibayelena amavoto kwakaTrump. Umengameli walokho lo obuyaphakamisa igama lakhe bona lenyulwe esihlalweni sikaMengameli emakhethweni weAmerica nomnyaka kuthe ngemva kwechata lesigidi wazibamba indlebe wabona ingazi wagugubala phasi wasifihla ngetafulana bese vikele kubagijimile kodwa ngaphambi kokuthatshidiswa stage uphakamisa iguduva njengabalweli bekululeko wabonakala amagama athi yenilwe yilwani. Umengameli uJoe Biden uthina ngakhuluma nesitshaba ngemva kwesihlakalwisi watsho lokho.
Good afternoon. There is no place in America for this kind of violence or any violence for that matter. An assassination attempt is contrary to everything we stand for as a nation. Everything. As a nation. It's not America.
Kuphupha umuntu omunye kwathi abanye ababili balimala kwabazekako esehlakalweni sokujugulula imiphumela yamakhetho yokubanjwa enyangeni ezintathu ezizakho. Mina ngimbuzo eyokuba khona njengombana iphenyo lithomile. Imbuzo efana nethi umzalo ukhambe njani aphethe umkhakhabulo esigidi wakhwela phezulu komakhiwo ngokuchaphuluka ebalangeni elingaba yi120 nala umengameli waphambilini bekakhuluma khona wayebadumuza ungikhethani wesikhundla sikaMengameli ehlanganweni yama-Republican.
Kanti nasibuya nganeno eAfrika bavotile namhlanje abantu beRwanda ekhethweni likaMengameli nelesibetha mthetho.
Bangaphezulu kwe9 million abantu abazihlolisela ukuvota emakhethweni wakawoke eRwanda. uPaul Kagame umholi weRwanda eminyakeni ema-30 edlulileko kulindeleke bona athumba uKagame uqalene nabanye abonkethani ababili kanti abanye abosaziwa ababonkethani nabo bakhutshiwe ehelweni labonkethani eMakhotho welizweni ibonkethani ababunani bebazibawela amavoti wenkhundla eziphezulu babili kwaphela ekuphumelela imbawo zabo uFrank Habineza weDemocratic Green Party of Rwanda kunye nonkethani ozijameleko uPhilip Mpayimana kanti nakusesenjalo inhlangano zomphakathi zithi akunakhonakala yokubana amakhetho angaba ngazijameleko nangathatha ihlangothi uhulumende welizweni asebujamena kibobu uhulumende weRwanda uziphayile insolwezi kanti ikomishini yezamakhetho yeRwanda igandelela bona amakhetho akathatha ihlangothi.
Nasiqala ke zemali iranda lehlile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Avulwe ngobumenyemenya amahlelo wesendlalelo samalungiselelo okusingatha imidlalo yama-Olympic eParis. Kuthonywe ngokutikwa ilehe kwakhanyiswa netotshi eParis. Asikhambe sihlole ngekwekwezini bona baphethe eziphi namhlanje. Akwande masango ngapho nikhamba ngaziphi phambili ebusuku nje.
Sithokoze Cedric ukusiboleka indambo esidosa ngazo phambili ngezokuthi ivekele umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngelanga lengelisine uthule inkulumo yokuvula iParliamente. Umsolo owafunyana nendumbe embili zabantwana lapha endaweni yePinar umndeni wekhaba uhlalele evalweni ngemva ukuthi ngempela veke izongo batsho iveza ukuthi umuzi kaMalimakhe uchiswe ngomlilo. Sokuqala ke ukuthi khani manje njengoba sela alilunga leParliamente uDokotela uMandla kaYise John Hlophe kuyamvumela namkhe kuyamkhandela ukuthi angayongena ekomishaneni ehlunga amajaji. Yilezi esiziphetheko elangeni lanamhlanje sibuyisele indambo kuwe Cedric.
Sithokoze masango. Akwande kusayi?
Cedric
kuthiwa yabuya amakhaza kusasa godu. Ingabe kunjalo?
Iyathome eKapa ngokuhamba kwamalanga athome akhuphukele enarheni ehlayo eSouth Africa kodwa nje awakusapholile amakhaza. Asale sesizicala ke ngokunabileko. Asale sesilotshisa ke ekhaya njengoba umoya omakhaza esikhuluma ngawo ubizwa ngeCall Front ochidela lapha ke esifundeni sangaleke ngeJingalanga Kapa ukubonakala kunjalo kusasa ke uletha lapha amathuba wezulu alinganiselwa ku30% kuthi ke ligubuzese ngilezi ndawo zabo Northern Cape ngapha ke ngePumalanga Kapa indaweni zakubokomani kubonakala amathutshana wezulu alinganiselwa lapha ku30% la ke ubona khona impage kutsho khona ke ukuthi ikungu ekhasa phasi eksena abantu baya yelele nabachayelayo asiqale ukuthi kunjani ke esifundeni sange Gauteng kusasa sibona lapha lala livukela makhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iPitori yafuthumela neBroncosprade nge24 noma iza kuthoma imakhaza khulu ekseni nge-2 nalapha eFerenageng nge-1 lapha ke eLimpopo siyabona ke nakhona ukuthi kumakhaza ebusuku nekuseni kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi kepheze sifuthumele kusephulukwane la kuphole khona nge23 siya lapha esifundeni sangeMpumalanga nakhona ke kuthoma kulale kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi imbombela ifuthumele isikhukhuza khulukhulu ke yona ke nge28 abo Metalbeck Malahleni Mhlanga kupholile ngemva kwamadina iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala lapha eRichards Bay ipholile uLundi ifuthumele eDurban kupholile kodwa na ke ekseni nebusuku kumakhaza khulukhulu lapha eKokstad kumakhaza pheze emini yonke Eastern Cape sibona ke ukuthi kumakhaza khulukhulu lapha endaweni zangale ngeWillomo imini yonke abomalitso njalo njalo imthatha iyaphola ngokuhamba kwesikhathi lapha ke eJingalanga Kapa siyabona ke ukuthi kumakhaza njengoba sithwele ukuthi umoya omakhaza uyachidela kilesa sifunda kumakhaza imini yonke Northern Cape yabonakala ukuthi makhaza khulukhulu lapha eSutherland ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke nokho iKimberley neUppington ibuya nganeno khulukhulu Uppington ibuye nganeno nge23 Freystata imakhaza ebusuku nekuseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iyaphola kuthi lapha ke endaweni zabo Garibnet Dam kube makhaza imini yonke ngemva kwamadina yi14 eNorthwest kokugcina sicala lapha ke isifunda sakhona nakhona kumakhaza ekseni ngemva kwamadina kubuya nganeno endaweni zabo Mayikeng eRustenburg nge23 bunjalo ke ubujamo bezulu bese kuphathele bona namhlanje sasibona negodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Nakanjani zikhona indaba zeSwati kusasa nisale nomusa